Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Raidmax X603, an ATX mid-tower case that's making waves for its blend of features and affordability. Right off the bat, the X603 caters to a wide range of builders, supporting the ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX motherboards. This versatility is a huge plus, whether you're building a budget gaming rig or a more powerful workstation. For gamers, the X603 offers ample space for beefy components. It can accommodate graphics cards up to 400 millimeters long, ensuring compatibility with even the most high-end GPUs. The easy-to-detach SSD HDD brackets are a welcome addition, simplifying the installation and maintenance process. Cooling is a major focus with the X603. The front panel features a unique wavy design with air inlets, promoting airflow to keep your components running cool. The case comes pre-installed with 4 ARGB fans, adding a vibrant touch to your build. For those who prefer liquid cooling, the front panel supports radiators up to 360 millimeters, providing excellent thermal performance. Aesthetically, the X603 doesn't disappoint. The transparent tempered glass side panels offer a clear view of your components, allowing you to showcase your build. The top-mounted I/O panel includes a USB 3.0 port for fast data transfer. Installation is straightforward, even for novice builders. The case offers plenty of room to work in, and the cable management options are adequate. The removable dust filters on the top and bottom of the case make cleaning a breeze, helping to keep your components dust-free and running smoothly. In terms of size, the X603 strikes a good balance between spaciousness and compactness. Its dimensions of 22-foot x 12 x 21-inch ensure it won't take up too much space on your desk while still providing enough room for all your components. Overall, the Raidmax X603 is a compelling option for budget-conscious builders looking for a feature-rich and aesthetically pleasing case. Its support for a wide range of motherboards, ample cooling options, and stylish design make it a strong contender in the mid-tower market. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive cases, the X603 offers excellent value for its price.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.